Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Noun Phrase 708. Noun phrase today is a recipe for something. Okay, if somebody wants a screenshot or a now, let's go right to it. If someone says that something is a recipe for something, it means a particular thing, behavior, or activity could likely lead to a particular outcome. It tends to be more negative, but could have some examples of positive ones as well. Let's continue. The phrase simply evolved from the word recipe, especially for cooking a dish. It basically means if all the ingredients, or in other situations, a set of circumstances occur in a particular way, it is likely to have that result, like following a recipe. Let's continue. All right, and we do have a second meaning, of course, is the original one. You could have a recipe for a particular dish, as in real cooking. All right, we got 6 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. Anytime they raise taxes too high, it is a recipe for disaster. All right, recipe for disaster is a very common one. Number 2, if you follow those rules about eating right, exercising, and getting enough rest, it could be a recipe for longevity. All right, number 3, cheating on your spouse, ignoring them, and disrespecting them is a recipe for divorce. So this is the way it could be used. So you could play with it, and there's some that's very, very common, like the one for disaster. Number 4 here, he wrote a book called A Recipe for Success. Now that's a common positive one. Number 5, her plan is a recipe for failure. All right, it's another negative one. And the last one here is just the basic meaning of a recipe. I have a good recipe for meatloaf if you want it. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. Hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.